Hey guys, it's Kendra. Today I have a what I eat in a day video for you. So if you are new to my channel, this is where I take you with me throughout my day and I show you everything that I eat. I eat gluten-free, so if you guys are gluten-free yourself, then you can get some ideas on meals to make that are, free of bread and whatnot. I haven't done one of these videos in a really long time, I feel like. And it was super nice filming this one because, when Andrew and I were living in Seattle, we had all of our dishes, all of our kitchen stuff was in storage, and then when we moved in with my parents for 6 months or so, everything was still in storage. So we finally have all of our kitchen stuff back, and it kind of feels like everything's new again. I feel like we just got all this stuff. It's awesome. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in so long. I went to Gen Beauty and it was so much fun. I went on Saturday. I just drove up for the day. I didn't really want to spend the whole weekend up in LA, but I went up Saturday. It was just a really good time. I got to talk to so many amazing brands and it was just a good time. I got a ton of swag, like a ton of different products to try out. I'm so excited about some of them. Like, I've already tested out some of them but I've already tested out a lot of them and I really, really like them. I wasn't going to do a haul because I don't want to be like just showing you all the stuff that they gave us. I figured I would just start incorporating them into my favorites. So let me know if you'd like to see that instead, because I think it's more helpful for you guys to actually get a review on the products instead of just saying like, this is what I got, I also am doing another vlog video on updates from our house. So that'll be up shortly, like hopefully next week I'll have that up for you guys. Just so you can see kind of the progress that we've made. Andrew is almost done with physical therapy school, which is so crazy. I feel like it's been such a long time, but it's just nice that it's, almost done. So he has one more week in his rotation and then he graduates, and then like in 4 weeks he will have an actual paying job. So that'll be nice because we will have more of a budget to spend on, furniture and whatnot. For the time being, I'm going to be doing some like inspiration posts on my blog with Kendra.com and with specific things that I'm going to be buying. Like I already have like the chairs, the rug, everything that I want for every room and stuff. I'll do like posts so you guys can see like, specifics if you want that now, if you can't wait. But I'm rambling. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoy today's video and let's get into it. Good morning, everyone. So it is 8 o'clock. I'm making some eggs. I have been making 3 eggs basically every single morning because a few reasons. One, I'm trying to snack less during the day because I don't know. I feel like I get bored. I'm just gonna snack. So I'm trying to fill up when I'm actually eating my meals. So I'm not wanting to like mindlessly eat chips and crackers and stuff like that. The other reason is because I've been lifting a lot more weights and just working out a lot harder. So I do need some more protein in my diet. The other thing I've been doing is using my coffee press. Right now I'm drinking some pineapple juice. I got this pineapple juice yesterday from Trader Joe's and I freaking am obsessed with pineapple juice. This is from Starbucks and I just have been really liking it. You put your coffee grounds in there and then you put in your water to the top, let it sit for 4 minutes, and then you just push it down slowly and you have awesome coffee. So I added some salsa, a half of an avocado, and a little bit of pepper. And it looks delicious. So it is 1 o'clock right now. I'm making some lunch, obviously. So I'm making some quinoa. It's the Bob's Red Mill quinoa, which I really like, but I feel like most quinoas kind of taste the same. And then I usually put vegetables in my quinoa. So I have some leftover veggies. We made pizza the other night, so I'm going to grill some of this up. I'm gonna cut up a little bit more red onion, some cucumber. I'm not gonna grill a cucumber, I'll put that in last. And then some sun-dried tomatoes, which I just love. Veggies are going. I put a little bit of butter and I also put some grapeseed oil so that it doesn't stick to the pan. And what I'm going to do with this is make it a quinoa salad. Basically, you do a bed of lettuce and then you pour in your quinoa mixture and it's just delicious. And it's super easy, especially for leftovers. Like once I made just a quinoa little side dish and then the next day I just threw it on top of some lettuce and it was just a quick salad. Ideally, I would like to have some chicken with this, but I don't have any right now, but I'll get over it. I added a little bit of salt and pepper and then some minced garlic just for a little bit of flavor. Totally was burning the quinoa, so we're trying this again. And cut up some cucumbers. I also will put a little bit of carrot in, and then here is my spinach. I just realized I have this in the fridge, so now I have chicken as well. So I just added in the veggies to the quinoa as well as some sun-dried tomatoes. And then over here we have the chicken, and I put some carrots on top. And then I'm also going to put some cucumbers because I love cucumbers. I usually put the cucumbers in the quinoa, actually, I just realized. But the thing about quinoa, you can do it cold or you can do it hot. Sometimes what I'll do, if I just do like a Mediterranean quinoa, I'll do sun-dried tomatoes and cucumbers and onions like cold and just leave it as that, or you can do it hot. It's just kind of whatever you want. So I'm gonna put these back in the quinoa because I like to have that for leftovers. So then I take it and I pour some of that on top of my salad. Super easy, especially when you have this for dinner and this is just your leftover. It's like so easy. So the last thing that I do is put a little bit of olive oil and red wine vinegar. Here's the olive oil I have. Just a little bit because you really don't need that much. Just to give it a little bit of moisture. And then here's the red wine vinegar that I have. Just any kind that you have, doesn't really matter. Careful with this, you don't want too much. And then you mix it all together and you got yourself some lunch. So it is 4:30 and I'm going to have a little bit of a snack. We're working out later, but I'm not sure when, so I don't want to be starving later. So I'm just gonna have a couple of these sugar plum tomatoes from Trader Joe's. They're so good. And the rest of the cucumber that I had for lunch and some hummus. I'm also going to have one of these Highball energy drinks. It's just sparkling water and it has caffeine in here and guarana and ginseng to give myself a little boost. All right, so it is 9:30. It's super late, but I ended up working out a lot later than I thought. So I don't like to eat dinner before I work out because then you just feel nasty. So I'm making dinner now because I gotta eat. So I'm gonna make some tacos. Just this is what I always get, like the lean turkey. And I'm going to brown them there. And then usually what I add to my meat is chili powder, hot sauce. This is, I think my mom gave me that. I don't even know what it tastes like, but some pepper, and then I'll add some garlic salt. And then after I worked out, I did have some protein. I usually just do like a scoop of that and then mix it with some almond milk. I was gonna do like a salad and everything with this, but it's so late, so I think we'll just do tacos. I added hot sauce and all of those spices, and the turkey is basically done. And then right now I'm heating up some corn tortillas, so I just put a little bit of this grapeseed oil and then a little bit of butter so that they brown a bit. And then I'm putting them over here. We have some cheese, some cabbage, sour cream, hot sauce, and salsa. At drying out your pimples, I usually will wash my face, use a toner, and then put this on right after.